When it comes to metalworking, especially with demanding materials like stainless steel, professionals and hobbyists alike often debate which tool is best for fast, efficient metal removal, the Carbide burr or the flap disc. Today, we're diving into the latest research and performance data, examining a real-world, side-by-side race between these two contenders, and providing actionable tips on RPM settings and heat management to help you get the best results. By the end of this comparison, you'll have a clear answer to the question, which tool truly removes metal faster on stainless steel? Let's start with the essentials. Carbide burrs are widely renowned for their precision. They excel in tasks that require detailed shaping, deburring, and engraving. Their rotary cutting action allows for intricate work on tight spots and hard-to-reach areas, making them indispensable in fine metalworking and finishing edges. However, when the goal is rapid material removal over a broad surface, the game changes. Enter the flap disc, a tool that combines the aggression of grinding with the finesse of finishing. Recent analyses highlight a significant breakthrough in flap disc technology, particularly with ceramic abrasives. In a recent side-by-side test, ceramic flap discs removed an astonishing 50% more material than zirconia discs in just 35 seconds. That's not just a marginal gain, it's a leap in efficiency, especially when grinding stainless steel. Speed and durability are the hallmarks of ceramic flap discs. Their hardness allows them to maintain cutting efficiency longer under the demanding conditions posed by stainless steel, while their layered construction helps dissipate heat, reducing the risk of warping or discoloration. The race between carbide burrs and flap discs is not just about brute force. It's also about how you use them. RPM, or revolutions per minute, is a crucial factor in maximizing performance and minimizing wear. For flap discs, higher RPMs, typically between 8,000 and 13,000, are recommended for aggressive material removal. This range ensures that the ceramic abrasive grains efficiently slice through stainless steel, keeping the disc cool and effective. Carbide burrs, on the other hand, operate best at lower RPMs, generally between 1,000 and 35,000, tailored to the burr's diameter and the material being processed. However, pushing carbide burrs too hard or running them at excessively high speeds can generate significant heat. This not only dulls the cutting edges, but can also harden the surface of stainless steel, making further removal even tougher. Heat management is another deciding factor in this race. Stainless steel is notorious for its ability to retain heat, which can lead to surface discoloration, warping, and tool wear. Ceramic flap discs shine here, as their abrasive grains fracture during use, constantly exposing fresh, sharp edges and dissipating heat efficiently. This self-sharpening action means you can grind longer and harder without the disc glazing over or losing effectiveness. Carbide burrs, while precise, tend to build up heat faster on broad surfaces, potentially leading to thermal damage if not managed carefully. Using proper techniques, light, consistent pressure, and allowing time for cooling can extend tool life and improve results. But when it comes to sheer speed and safety, flap discs have the edge. So, what's the verdict? For rapid metal removal on stainless steel, especially across large areas, ceramic flap discs are the clear winner. They offer unmatched speed, superior heat management, and the added benefit of leaving a finer finish, reducing the need for secondary operations. Carbide burrs remain invaluable for precision tasks, intricate contours, and detailed finishing. But when your priority is speed, flap discs take the lead. Have you tried our carbide burr tools? We'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips you have for optimizing their performance. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which tool you prefer for your projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth comparisons, expert tips, and the latest updates in metalworking technology. Your feedback and engagement help us bring you the content you need to master your craft.